So we were looking to upgrade our foundry and to really come into the 21st century with newer, better equipment, better automation, better technology, and to really transform our factory to the factory of the future. So we've seen a big difference before and after we've implemented this machine. We had 2 automated machines at our Pelham facility and 2 manual lines, and we were actually able to replace those with the 1 Sinto line here at Alabaster. And so that allowed us to totally shut down our Pelham foundry as a result. So the Sinto line has helped us be able to reduce our overhead by eliminating the manual pours, the manual lines that we had at Pelham, and the overall number of operators that we need to produce the quantity and the quality of part that we are.
We had an older Sinto machine, an FBN, and the quality of castings off of it was exceptional, and we just decided that this was the best machine for us. The process of our production, our mold quality has improved dramatically.
In 2019, when we decided to put in the Sinto, one of our overarching plan was to gain market share in a specific aluminum side open clamp business. Putting in the Sinto has allowed us to do that. Not only has it allowed us to do that, in terms of our overall production, our overall capacity has grown by a factor of about 25 to 30% since putting in the Sinto machine.
In the past, we dealt with downtime for alignment issues, but with the Sintos, the reliability of no alignment issues, the uniformity of the squeeze has reduced that dramatically.
We can now produce up to 3,000 molds per day. That's about 1,000 molds per shift off the Sinto, which before we were doing around 650. So you can imagine, day in and day out, how much more production that allows us to have ready for our customers. In the event of a storm, a tornado, we just had the tornadoes over in the Kentucky, Tennessee areas. Those folks come to call and they want their parts. We're able to react to that a lot quicker. We have the reliable machine, we can put the molds out.
We were actually the fastest company to ever reach 1 million molds, so we did that in less than 2 years. Really proud of that. We run 24/7, so that's allowed us to hit that milestone. With the team there at Sinto, we communicate with them every week. We have a weekly call. We discuss any kind of open issues that we have. They're able to customize the monitoring system that we have on the machine or any data that we're looking for, and we've just had a great overall experience. So our future plan is that we're going to eventually add a second Sinto line here at this facility to further increase our capacity, to help with future goals, with future orders. We're looking to increase our business. I think a second Sinto line, now that we're comfortable with this one and the success we've had with the first line, we're looking to duplicate that with a second Sinto line.